Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to take a further look into the rapidly developing world of AI projects. In this new realm of project management, artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force. But as with any significant change, it brings forth challenges, especially in the sphere of communication. Today, we'll explore the criticality of stakeholder communication in AI projects, emphasizing the role of AI and addressing the ethical concerns that may arise. The evolving landscape of AI in projects, artificial intelligence, once a distant dream, is now deeply embedded in project management. Its applications range from automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis. As AI's role grows, so does the need for clear communication. Stakeholders, now more than ever, need to understand AI's capabilities, its limitations, and its potential impact on the project's outcomes. Just a decade ago, the idea of AI-driven projects was nascent. Today, it's almost a norm. This rapid evolution can be overwhelming for stakeholders, making communication even more critical. The AI advantage: emphasize the benefits AI brings to projects, efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. Highlighting these advantages can set a positive tone for stakeholder interactions. Who are the stakeholders in AI projects? Identifying and understanding your audience is the first step in effective communication. External partners, vendors or third-party collaborators who might be providing AI tools or platforms for the project. Ethical watchdogs, groups or individuals focused on the ethical implications of AI, ensuring that the project aligns with broader societal values. The importance of clear communication, mitigating fear. AI, for many, is still a novel concept, often associated with job losses or unchecked machines. Clear communication can dispel these fears, emphasizing AI as a tool that complements human skills. Ensuring alignment. With multiple stakeholders involved, everyone needs to be on the same page regarding the AI's role. This alignment is crucial for smooth project execution. Addressing ethical concerns. Environmental concerns. AI, especially large models, can consume significant computational resources. Address how the project plans to offset this carbon footprint. Economic impacts. Discuss the potential economic implications, both positive, cost savings, efficiency, and negative, job displacements. Communication strategies. Tailored communication. Different stakeholders have different levels of AI understanding. Tailor the communication to suit their knowledge level, from layman's terms for the uninitiated to detailed technical discussions for the experts. Visualization. Sometimes, words aren't enough. Use visual aids, flowcharts, or even simple animations to explain complex AI concepts. Navigating challenges in communication. Rapid technological changes. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Today's cutting-edge solution might be obsolete tomorrow. Address this challenge by emphasizing adaptability and the project's commitment to staying updated. Balancing hype versus reality. The media often portrays AI in extremes, either as a miracle solution or a potential disaster. Address this by presenting a balanced view, grounded in facts and realistic expectations. The future of stakeholder communication in AI projects. Emergence of new stakeholder groups. As AI integrates deeper into society, new stakeholder groups will emerge, from AI ethicists to user advocacy groups. Anticipate these changes and be prepared to engage with them. The role of AI in communication. In a twist of irony, AI itself might become a tool for stakeholder communication in the future, offering personalized updates or even addressing stakeholder queries in real time. To wrap up for today, stakeholder communication in AI projects is a dynamic, evolving challenge. It's a blend of art, understanding human concerns and aspirations, and science, conveying the technical nuances of AI. By being proactive, empathetic, and transparent, we can ensure that all stakeholders are not just informed but also aligned with the project's vision and goals. In the AI-driven future, effective communication will be the linchpin that ensures success. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.